Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you how to install aptoide. This basically has every app, basically to Wi-Fi hacker, almost anything. So I'm going to show you how to install it. So you just hit install. Let it install. Click on it. What if they pull up is if they say install block, probably. So you want to go to settings, and then go to unknown source, and then hit OK. Then this will allow the app to install. And just hit next. Basically hit next, and then I install. It takes a few minutes to install, so let it take its time. Now we see that it's installed. Now hit open. It's ready to greet you. Now just hit next, next, or just hit skip. And basically, you're searching your app, basically. Let's say Wi-Fi hacker. There's plenty. I highly recommend that one. Oh, which one was it? It was that one. I highly recommend that. And if you don't believe me, I'll install it. If they do the same thing, but you just do. Go over there, hit unknown source, and just hit next and install. And it is an app. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Have a nice day.